Good morning, students. Best of luck for your academic performance evaluation. Today, we will start the revision of the chapter. The chapter name is The Tiny Teacher. We will revise the chapter. From the question, you will understand. You will try to know about the character. You will try to know about the meaning of the tiny teacher. Name the smallest and the wisest insect you have seen. You know it. The student, you know that the tiniest, the smallest, the commonest, and the wisest insect is the ant. We will know the summary of the chapter. And student, you have to know the word meaning, because word meaning will also come in your test. So you have to know the meanings. Suppose that anthill, nest of ants, grub, baby ant, cocoon, protective enclosure, drone, male ant, beetles, insects. So you have to learn the word meaning from the chapters. What are the the chapters which are given in your syllabus according to your according to your academic performance evaluation. The chapters are given. You have to revise it thoroughly. So come on the chapter, The Tiny Teacher, summary of the chapter. Dear student, you know that an ant is the tiniest and the wisest of all insects. It is very intelligent and hardworking. The story of an ant's life is difficult to believe, but those people who have observed the behavior of ants closely know a number of surprising facts about them. The student, you know that ants can talk among themselves. They can talk among themselves. An ant talks to other ants by touching their feelers, which we say antenna, to pass messages. There are many kinds of ants, among which the black and red ones are the most common. Ants live in nests or anthills, you know that, just below the surface of the soil. Understand? An anthill has several rooms and passages. The queen ant lay eggs in some of these rooms, you know that, while some others are nurseries for the young ones. Nurseries means where babies are kept. Understand? There are separate, you know that, quarters for workers and barracks for soldiers. Workers live in, you know that, quarters, and soldiers live in barracks. Ants live in peace and harmony. You know that they do their work, they do their own work and never fight with each other. So you know that ants' life is very peaceful. They don't fight to each other. They live in harmony. Understand? They have separate quarters and barracks. Quarters are made for workers and barracks are made for soldiers. Understand? You know that the queen ant is the mother of the entire population of the ant colony. Understand? She has a pair of wings. She has a pair of wings. With the help of her wings, understand, the mother ant, the queen ant, she goes out to meet a male ant or drone high up in the sky on a hot summer day. This is called her wedding flight. Understand? When she goes to meet with the male ant drone in high sky in summer day, Afterward, after coming back, she bites off her wings and begin to lay eggs. Understand? You know that eggs hatch and become grubs. In 2 or 3 weeks, grubs change into cocoons. Finally, what will happen? The cocoons, you know that, dear student, you know that finally the cocoons break after a wait of more than 3 weeks and perfect ends come. Understand? Perfect ends come out. Now the new ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. Dear student, you know that ants also keep pets in their anthills. Other insects also live. Insects like beetles and lesser breeds of ants and the green fly are allowed to live in the anthill because they give a pleasant smell and sweet juices. The green fly, you know that, is the ant's cow. It gives honeydew when milked by ants. Understand? Man has learned as much as ants have, but he has not used his learning in the right manner. He still has no he still has no sorry he still has to learn many things like hard work, sense of duty and discipline and loyalty to the motherland from this tiny teacher. So in this chapter you get that who is the tiny teacher. The tiny teacher is the ant. We can learn a lot of things from the tiny teacher, and the things are here. You learn many things like hard work, sense of duty, discipline, and above all loyalty to the motherland where they live. Understand? This tiny teachers, this tiny teacher and teaches us a lot of things that is very beneficial. You also see that ants go in a queue, but we human being don't follow any rule and regulation. We live our lives in haphazard way. So we learn a lot of things from this tiny teacher, but we don't use these things in our daily life. Understand? So I hope that you have understood all this clearly. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.